Hi everyone, my name is Joyful Judy and thank you all for joining me. Today I'm going to do a cooking video and this is my potato salad. This is what my family like to cook back home in Charleston, South Carolina, and this is what people always ask me to make. Okay, here we are everyone, my potato salad. Okay, first we're going to start with, we have a dozen of eggs, and then we have um, paprika over here, red paprika, and we have mustard. And over here we have black pepper. We have onions, pickles, a half a jar of pickle, the big jar of pickle. We have some parsley. We have some adobo. We have some mayonnaise, and we have some celery. And this is the potato salad, everyone. First, you know, you're going to have 5-pound potato. You can cook 3 pounds if you want. But first, I'm going to start. I'm going to put the eggs in the potato salad. I hope make sure you see, okay? We put the eggs in that potato salad. Can you see, everyone? And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to put some pickles in the potato salad. Got to have a lot of pickles, everyone. Lots of pickle. And that was a dozen of sliced eggs. And then you're going to put the this is so good, everyone. This is so good. Poppy. Then you're going to put the adobo. Adobo, just put that in there. And then we have Indian swellich. And then we have the parsley. Don't forget the parsley. I hope you can see this, everyone. I'm putting it a little closer to you. Parsley, okay? It's so important. And then you're going to put onion. That's a whole onion, a small whole onion. And you slice these onions very, very small, everyone. Very small. And then we're going to put this ingredient. Don't forget mustard. It's like we're going to put that mustard in there. See that mustard? All right. Now, we have paprika. You can use sweet paprika. Any paprika you prefer, but make sure you use paprika. And you're going to have some pepper. Okay, that's pepper. And last but not least, mayonnaise. Make sure you don't get the sweet kind because it's not going to taste the same. So I'm going to put this mayonnaise in it. Okay, be a generous amount of mayonnaise. And here's the fun part. And I just put a little bit of salt. I don't like too much salt in the food, but a little salt. Then we're going to mix this up slowly. We're going to turn this around. And make sure you keep turning. And you know, the secret ingredients to me is the eggs. I know a lot of people use egg, but use a lot of egg. It really gives it that rich flavor. And also the celery. That's what I was trying to pronounce to you, everyone. The celery gives it that extra crunch. And lots of pickle. And I'm telling you, this is a hit. I love lots of pepper in my potato salad, and everybody loves this potato salad. When you take this on trips or wherever you go, people are going to constantly say to you, oh, where's the potato salad? This is my favorite dish, everyone. One of my favorite dishes that people always tell me to make at birthday party, Christmas, anything, Thanksgiving, whatever celebration it is, they want this, okay? So here we have it. This is the Southern potato salad. All right, everybody. I'm going to just stir up a little more. I'm going to just spread it out like this. And that's it. This is the potato salad. Make sure you stir it. We're going to stir it one more time. And don't forget, everyone, a lot of people don't put parsley. Parsley just give it that extra taste. And this is it, everyone. This is the potato salad. I'm telling you, when you make this for your friends and your family member, they're going to come back for more. My husband loves this. He's waiting patiently for me to bring this to him. He's just waiting patiently for me to make this potato salad. He waited hours because okay, here it is. Potato salad, everybody. This is going to be yummy, yummy good. This is it. This is the potato salad. And I want to thank you all for watching and listening. And don't forget, God is good. Bye-bye.